Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create simple formulas in Google Sheets so you can calculate and analyze your data quickly and easily. Google Sheets formulas are a combination of operators and functions that perform calculations. Every formula starts with an equal sign, followed by a function like sum, average, or if. Start by clicking the cell where you want your result to appear. Type equals and then the function name. For example, sum will add up the values in a range. Once you start typing the function, Google Sheets will show a short description, the required argument, and the purpose of each. You can use these hints to enter formulas correctly. You can continue by adding the cell references or ranges. You can either type them manually or select them with your mouse. For example, typing equals sum E2 through E13 will add all values from E2 to E13. Press enter and your result will appear in the cell. Referencing other cells is essential in formulas. You can reference a single cell like E2 or multiple cells like equals sum E2, E4, E8, E13 for non-adjacent cells, or equals sum E2 through E13 for adjacent cells. You can even assign a name to a range like sales 2024 and use it in a formula as equals sum sales 2024. Formulas in Google Sheets can also use data from other sheets. Start your formula as usual, then navigate to the other sheet and select the cell or range you want to reference. The formula will update automatically. For example, equals sum sheet 2, E2 through E13. If the sheet's name has spaces, enclose it in single quotes like October sales, E2 through E13. Editing formulas is easy. Double-click the cell containing the formula or select it and press F2 or enter. Modify the formula directly in the cell or in the formula bar. For example, you can change equals sum E2 through E15 to equals sum E2, E4, E8, E13 to total only specific values. Press enter to apply your changes. And that's how you create and manage simple formulas in Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip or trick.